What's up, guys? So what I did here is I took a piece of poplar and painstakingly fit it in the headstock and glued it. This screw that was bent on the Asthorpe guitar, okay, what I did was I found the diameter and I drilled it into a piece of plywood, and then I screwed it in, and it took some time. And the way you're going to bend this back, let me set it up on end. You're going to take a pair of pliers, and you got to do this in steps, and I already started. You're going to take it, it's going to be a little hard to do on camera, but focus, come on. Alright, you're just going to gently persuade it to the left. So when I'm done, you'll see it will be straight. Alright, so you might be asking yourself, why the hell not just buy a new screw? Well, because I'm anal and very meticulous with what I do, and I like the heads to match. Is anybody going to really see it? No, but I am. I know it's going to be there, so it's going to bother me. And you can see that's pretty straight. And I'm going to keep working at that until I get it over and as straight as I can. Alright, so that looks pretty damn good to me. What I should have did was I should have just used some smooth jaw pliers. So if you're going to do this, use some smooth jaw, but you won't see that from the side. At least the heads will look uniform. And a shot of that. So bent screw to straight screw. Okay, so we got that drilled in. Now we gotta touch up that paint. And these scuff marks here is from some 1200 grit, and we're gonna buff that back out. Alright, so we're gonna use some ebony stain, which I already did, and you can see that. And now it's time to polish this out. Okay, so we got that all polished out. Alright, so it's not invisible, but it's passable, and it beats the neck on the other one not being set. It's worth noting that these I had to put toothpicks in and glue, and this one here because they stripped them too. So we face another problem. Nut not glued in. Not a big deal, you can glue that. And I'll briefly tell you, do not glue on the bottom side of the nut. Glue on the fretboard side, this vertical side, just a dot right in the middle to keep it in place. So with that said, if you look right here on the 4th string, D string, it's cracked. So lo and behold, I was filing the nut, getting it all down to where it should be at here across the 1st fret, and then I see over here, and I thought, you know, well, this isn't really a big deal. You know, the little chip there, not a big deal. Okay, we can take care of that. But this piece right here, I don't know if the camera's going to pick that up. That whole end is cracked. So I had to order a whole new nut, which isn't a bad thing because honestly, there is some gap here and some here, which is annoying. I don't like that. So I had to order a new nut, and we're going to have to go ahead and fit that in there. We're going to have to sand it this way and then height-wise and then go through all that bullshit again. And the other problem I found with this guitar, where the neck on the other one was set too low, given too high of an action, this one has a back bow. So before I filed the nut slots, at the 7th fret I had 10/1000ths of an inch, which is where I like it. I had to take the saddle down as well on here. We got 5/64 from the top of the bridge, or the saddle, to the bridge. Over here, sadly, we only have 3/64 on the low E, and that sucks. So probably take some of the bridge off, maybe a 32nd, and at least have an 1/8 inch. I'm gonna do that with the other guitar as well. And these pricks told me that, you know, I can't fix this, I have to throw it out. Well, fuck them, I'm gonna fix it, because I've been waiting since July 1st to get this fucking guitar, and they sent me 2 fucking junk ones, so fuck them. With that said, this one has a little bit more of a break angle. Not a big deal, I'm still getting good sound out of the other one, but anyway, the other one has to be taken down a good, probably 1/16 of an inch. This one I'm going to remove a 32nd and take care of that. But anyway, that's how you fix a strip screw in your tuning pegs. Don't over tighten them or you're going to be in the same boat.